Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Viki. To sign up or create a new account for Viki, first of all, go ahead and download the Viki application on your mobile device and launch it open. Once you do that, in the first welcome screen, tap on the sign up for free button. To create a new account, you can go ahead and continue signing up with email, Apple, Google, Rakuten, or Facebook account. To sign up with email, tap the Continue with Email button. Now, enter your name, email address, and password you'd like to use for the account. After doing so, if you want to receive updates, special offers, and marketing promotions via email, tap the little square box at the bottom. If not, you can leave the box unchecked and tap on Next. Right after you do that, tap the Let's Go button and you will then be able to create a new account. After you are signed up, you can now go ahead and verify your email. From the homepage of Viki, tap the Me button at the bottom right and click on Verify My Email option in order to verify your email. Follow through the prompts, and once you are done verifying the email, you can then explore Viki's vast library of K-dramas, C-dramas, J-dramas, and more. So that's how you easily sign up and access the content on Viki. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Wake&Tech for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.